we were in a June position that literally we went in, I think, May 1st, and by May 8th, it was literally Monday to Monday. In a June position, all of a sudden, Monday morning, we all woke up, and what did we find? We had a gift given to us on Monday morning, May 8th.
Right.
High-value day,
Yeah.
and we looked at it and said, I started getting on the telephone and said, all right, let's take it. Let's take the gift and let's get out.
Yeah.
And the thing is, because it was like, wait a minute, we got an opportunity to literally, from a trade plan standpoint of making like the month already, just in 5 days, just because it wasn't, because we were smart, it was just the market gave us a gift.
Yeah.
Which then that's why all of a sudden, when we had the decision to make to get into July, we were in that strange decision point of saying, well, gee, June's we could get back into June if we wanted.
Right.
Or July was beyond, almost becoming like an FOM3, more towards 80 days, it was like 71 days. So,
Right.
so there was multiple things going on that decision point.